Jenny Yellow here, and we're going to be doing another video today. Yay! But today we're going to be doing something special. Just like last year on Halloween, I did a makeup tutorial. Now I'm just going to call it a bad makeup tutorial because I don't do makeup. I try to do makeup. It just doesn't work out very well for me, but I just do the basics. That's about it. But we're going to be doing something that I've been seeing all over the place. And if this turns out good, I might turn this into a little mini series this week of different things for me to try that I've seen floating around on the internet, which is great. So today I'm going to be doing this spider eye thing, but I'm going to put a little twist on it. Now I do artwork, but I don't do like makeup artwork. This is gonna be fun. Yay! So we're gonna just get right into this. So as you can see, I don't have anything on this lovely face. So I do something just so I look like a normal human most of the time. So we're gonna get started on this. I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. If you're excited, I'm excited too. We're gonna put my bangs back. This could be like a spooky, oh my god, this could be like the little Halloween horror costume all on its own right here. I'll tell you. Boo! First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put one on this eye, and then I'm thinking of doing something over here. If you see me looking down, I have my mirror like right here, like right below. So sorry if it looks like I'm just looking down all the time, but I'm really not. I promise. So I've got all these makeup palettes. I have palettes out the butt. I never use them really. I just like them because it's pretty, and I try them sometimes, and it always turns out to be a fail. I've got this, and I'm gonna be using the black. Right here. Do the makeup people go like this? They point to it. So I'm gonna use this, and we're gonna cover this lid right here. Now you want your lid to be as black can be. Black as midnight. Black as my soul. I'm trying. Oh god, I don't know what I'm doing now. That's nice. Okay. Very nice. Just do like a transition shade to kind of fluff it up. I don't know. Fluff it up with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna do this one just to kind of warm it up, I guess you'd say. Does this look like a thing? I just flicked it in my eye. I still want it to be more warmy. Okay, so I'm gonna try. So I've got palettes. I got palettes out the butt. I have this. I'm gonna try with they go like this, I guess. I'm gonna do this one. Okay, good enough. Leave it alone, Jen. It's just gonna get worse. Okay, I have an enhancer shadow thing. I don't know. It's like almost like a nude. And then you want to draw out what you want to do on your face. So let's draw some legs on my face. So I drew some stuff you can't see it whatsoever, which is fine. But I just made like a thing. Yeah, this is gonna be perfect. It's not really. You really don't want it to look absolutely perfect because spider legs aren't all absolutely perfect. And you want to use eyeliner to draw it, I guess. I was gonna use this, but it's got like a brush, and brushes scare me sometimes, so I'm just gonna use this. I got this in a sample pack. It has a felt tip pen, like a felt tip. It should be easier, hopefully. Hopefully, we're gonna just draw some legs. Yay! Like I said, you don't want it to look perfect. Don't want it to look perfect at all. It'll be alright. Okay. Top part of the legs are done. Not really done. We're not even in the... This is just the beginning. Okay, so... Got an outline. I don't know. We shall see what'll happen next. Dun, 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 dun. And you want to fill it in. That's where I'm going to use my other one. because it's darker. And also, I'm going to be using a little bit of white makeup, Halloween makeup paint to put in like little white things with my little handy dandy brush. I got a little bit of whites in them. Then we're gonna fill it in. And then the kind of, because you have to make it look like it's over your eyebrow. So I don't know, I'm just gonna try something to see if I can get it. I don't know if I want to brush it because it would like disrupt the little hairs of the eyebrow. I wonder if I just kind of pat it on. Pat, pat, pat. That works. Ooh, who are you looking at? Nothing, because I got a spider coming down my eyeball. Trying to, anyway. Oh, shit. Okay. There's this. It's not done yet. But wait. There's more. And then we're going to do this, the lower part, in the black. In this shade right here. I'm just gonna touch up some of the stuff up here. Okay. It's a thing. I don't know. Alright, now we're gonna make it look more realistic. So I have to put the shadows in like you would like if it was a real spider and there were spidery stuff going on my face. In reality, I would be losing my mind. So what you want to do is you'll want to create shadows for the legs, and you want to make it kind of darker, like where it comes down here, and then lighter, and then you want it to touch the end of the legs. I got my shadows kind of looking like a thing. A little liner on the bottom. We have that. I'm going to finish this eye. I'm going to make this eye look normal off camera really quick, and this, and I'm going to add another one right here. Just to make it more spoopy. Blah, blah, blah. So I put a little bit of more makeup on. One more than what I usually do, but I'm trying to like embrace makeup more so I can be more pretty. Alright, so next I'm going to be doing the same thing over here. I'll do it off camera, you don't have to watch. It's going to be the same thing I'm going to do over here, but it's going to be less legs because it's going to look like it's starting to come out of my mouth on this side, so it doesn't like overpower it. So I'm going to do that one real quick, and then I'll show you how it goes. Okay, so here's kind of what I did. I did this part, which you all saw me somewhat do. Have decent. And then I like did my face up a little bit. A little pretty. And then I put one, I tried it. I don't know if I like it, but I have one that looks like it's starting to come out of my mouth. I don't know. So let's take down the hair too. Jesus. So okay, here's the finished look. I got this coming out of my eyeball. Kind of cute. Cute. And then I have one coming over here. I don't know. Yeah. That's one of my bad Halloween makeup tutorials. I hope you liked it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more quality content like this one right here, hit the subscribe button. It in the face. Love you guys if you did. I'd greatly appreciate it. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.